What happened after the High Court had passed the order?
My lords, when the High Court has pleased to pass the order on 17th of August 2022, the circumstances were different, my lords. The circumstances what was different, my lords.
So how is a fresh petition here?
So, my lords, this is the fresh petition we filed after changing of the circumstances, my lord, because the
Go to the tribunal.
my lords, the order is attached, my lords. The order is attached of the tribunal, my lords. We
Where
have
is that?
before the starting of the writ petition, my lord.
Before the starting of the writ petition?
Yes, my lords.
Where is it? Which page?
My lords, the page number just before the starting of the petition.
What does it say?
My lords, in this, my lords, the tribunal had said that this cannot be possible because, my lords, I have approached under inherent jurisdiction for doing complete justice.
What is the date of the order of the tribunal, please?
My lords, this is 20th of February 2000.
What does the tribunal say? Issue notice to the respondents.
But my lords, what is the issue, my lords? That it will become infructuous, my lord, because the process has already been completed and the vacancies are still 8,000 vacancies. Lords, what we are seeking, my lords, the apprehension, the genuine apprehension with the petitioner that the special reserve seat, which is for the skilled trained persons, they are about to convert these seats into a general seats, my lords. That is the apprehension, my
So
lord.
you have filed a petition before tribunal?
Yes, my lords.
Pursue that remedy.
Lords, they are saying they have given the date of May 22nd of May.
Right. What is the interim application you have filed?
My lord, the interim application is related to injunction, my lords.
So you press that application before tribunal.
Lords, I have pressed, my lords, but it is appear from the intention of the tribunal, my lords, that they are not going to convince with me, my lords.
Very well. That's no reason for us to interfere, unless and until there is an order of the tribunal.
So, my lords,
this.
My lord, this is.
And we have not understood the prayers that have been made. See,
my lord,
petition.
Yes, my lords, prayers make.
To quash everything, whatever you are praying here.
My lords, what I am praying the prayer number 2, my lords, that the advertisement.
Is this the prayer before the tribunal?
Yes, my lords.
Go there.
My lords,
you can't have two parallel proceedings.
My lords, in the tribunal, my lords, the first prayer was not there, my lord. The second was also not there, my lord. The third was there, my lords.
Very well. If you don't want to pray it in the tribunal, how can you pray it here?
Lords, because, my lords, the tribunal is saying that we are.
Okay, please, that's enough. Go there. The matter is seized up. Amend your petition. Incorporate these prayers there.
My lords,
amend your petition there.
My lords, it's appeared from there because they have not passed the injunction order, my lords.
You will press it. You will ask them to.
My lords, the tribunal had said that orally, my lords, the tribunal.
निकलवाओ उसको वहां से
My lords, because the tribunal are not equipped with the power to challenge the advertisement, my lords. Here we have advertisement, my lords.
Who said that?
Lords, the tribunal said that we cannot change and we cannot quest the rule 12.2.
Where do they say so?
Yes, my lords.
Where do they say so?
Where to?
Where do they say so?
My lords, orally, my lords.
Forget it.
So, my not going lords, what I am saying, my lords, the expeditious may be given, my lords.
Will make a request before the tribunal.
Lords, I have given, my lords, because that it will become infractuous, my lords. So, my lords,
you will press your application. You will press your application.
My lord, I have pressed many of times, my lords.
This is a petition filed by the petitioner with the following prayers. This is the second round of litigation. Earlier, the petitioner had filed the petition. They are the same petitioners who had filed there?
Yes, my lord.
No. Jitendra Kumar Meena is Ankit Yadav. Second round of litigation, in as much as the petitioner had earlier filed a writ petition being 11934 of 2022, which was disposed of on 17/8/2022. 22. What order they have passed on your representation?
My lords, no, that is pending. My lords, the contempt has been filed. The contempt has been filed, but still they had not replied.
Not in this matter. It appears
not in this matter in 11934.
It appears that with the following directions, page para 9, page 143. First, it appears the representation has not been disposed of, which has become a subject matter of a contempt petition, being contempt case civil number 1412 of 2022. Be that as it may, the petitioners have approached the Central Administrative Tribunal by way of a fresh proceedings, on which the tribunal has issued notice in terms of order dated
20th February.
terms of order dated February 2nd, 2023, returnable before the registrar on 22/5/2023. The grievance of the petitioners primarily is, did you file any interim application?
Yes, my lords.
Very well. Where is that?
My lord, that is
the grievance of the petitioner is that the
application is not attached here, my lords, but the content of the petition separate IE has filed in this petition, my lords.
Be that what is the prayer made in the interim application?
My lords, the prayer wait.
The prayer was, Honorable Court may be pleased to stay on converting the CCCA categories and filled posts to general categories and clarify that the unfilled vacancies in
prayer of the petitioner, the full stop.
It's on page number 150 lots.
So
150.
Though the order dated 22 order the said order is only issuing a notice on the writ petition and calling for the filing of the pleadings by the respondents. Stop. Since the tribunal is already seized of OA 492 of 2023, the prayer as made by the petitioner to interfere in the said OA cannot be granted. Stop. If the petitioner has any grievance with regard to non-consideration of his application for any interim relief, it is for the petitioner to pursue with the tribunal insofar as the prayer for any interim relief is concerned. The petition is dismissed.
My lords, I have invoked the jurisdiction of the High Court, my lords, in an inherent power, my lords, that is under Article 226.
Thank you. We will not.
My lords, one similar judgment, my lords, I would like to cite, my lords, of the Supreme Court, my lords, where the matter is related to the recruitment of teachers, my lords. The advertisement was released in two categories, for scheduled and for non-scheduled areas. My lords, the candidate who were from non-scheduled area, they have applied in the scheduled area. I mean, the High Court has quashed the the recruitment, the appointment of those candidates, my lord. The Supreme Court, by invoking under 142, my lords, they have.
Supreme Court, we are not Supreme Court. Okay?
Yes, my lords.
We have 𝐿 which governs us. So you have to go to the tribunal, and you have gone to the tribunal. You can't have two parallel proceedings, one before the tribunal and one here.
That is what I'm requesting, my lord, because
we will not exercise the jurisdiction. You have any grievance before the tribunal, ask the tribunal to decide it, then come here.
My lord, one request I would like to make, my lords, kindly direct the tribunal for expeditious, my lords.
We will not say so. It's for you. They have just issued notice, and we have said so. If you have any issue on interim relief, you will pursue with the tribunal. Okay? Next.
Item 37.